Go.
Okay, the winch in this particular bus is roof mounted, whereas in most others they're floor mounted. The biggest advantage that has is you don't get your winch contaminated nearly as bad if it's on the roof rather than in the floor. If you're not familiar with a winch at all, they have a freewheel option, which is on this side of the winch. It says free spool and engage. When you're going to pull the winch out the back of the ramp to pull a stretcher in, you just flip that to free spool, and you just start out with the winch. And you can see how that goes. You just go all the way out as far as you need to go, and we will actually hook a stretcher to it in a later video and show loading. When you get ready to engage the winch to pull it back in, you just simply flip the side back up to engage, and the power button for the winch is located, if you're facing the front of the bus, it's located on the left hand side, and it's labeled in and out. If you've got the weight of the stretcher on it coming up in, you don't need to do anything other than winch it in. If you're winding the winch up without a load on it, make sure someone holds the other end and puts a little bit of tension on the rope. That way it doesn't get wadded up in the winch itself. And I'm just going to wind it up while I'm standing here. When you get close to the end, be really careful, because the winch is strong enough to cause damage to itself if you try and pull the hook through there too hard. That is a very basic operation of the winch. As I said, there will be more video on loading in a later video.